Hi everyone and welcome in this second video on the advanced use case about unit of measures and packagings. In this video, I will try to provide you a solution to the use case. So if you did not watch the context video yet, please do it before watching this one. As a small summary, ABC Construct is a construction material reseller, purchasing, storing, and reselling in different unit of measures and packagings. I will try to provide you three options, and for each of the options, I will show you the configurations. We will discuss the business context in which you should opt for one or the other solution, and we will go over processes to see pros and cons of each of the solution. The first option is actually to create three different SKUs, meaning three different products, to use the kilogram as unique unit of measure. And it's also a good idea to take advantage of product packaging's new features of V15 for each of the products. Regarding the processes, we will have the sand in bulk, the sand in package of 25 kilos, and the sand in packs of 100 kilos. And for each of the steps, purchase, storage, and resell, we will use kilogram as single unit of measure. Let's jump into a database to see how this works. So I'll directly jump into a purchase flow to see how information is displayed regarding this option. So I'm choosing sand in bulk, sand in pack of 25 kilos, and sand in packs of 100 kilos. I can take advantage of the new feature uh, of V15, which is the packaging one. And I can actually directly choose the quantity of packaging I would like to purchase. In this case, let's say 3 packs of 25 kilos. Directly, the system recomputes the quantity in unit of measures. Great. I'll do the same for packs of 100 kilos. And let's say I want to purchase two of them. Because we keep a unique unit of measure, which is kilogram, we have an easy price comparison between the three products. Let's confirm the order and have a look at the receipt order to see how this is displayed. So directly I can see that everything is in kilogram, but I have the information of what packaging I should receive. I validate and I receive everything in stock. Now let's jump into the process of converting from one packaging to the other one. I jump into my inventory and I open my inventory adjustment. So let's assume that now I would like to convert one package of 100 kilo into four packages of 25 kilo. What I need to do is simply to adjust the quantity manually on the quantity column. So I do this manual process. I can apply and apply. Now my quantity have been adjusting regarding the conversion I wanted to make. So now, finally, let's jump into a sale flow to see how this could work. So I make a new quotation, and the same, I will select my three different products. Great. Now let's take advantage of the new feature. As for the PO process, and I can actually sell different amounts of different quantity of packaging that I would like, and automatically the system computes the quantity I should sell. Okay, let's select one quantity. Again, The price comparison is easy thanks to the fact that we use the kilogram as unique unit of measures. I can confirm. And now let's have a look at the delivery order. Again, I can see that I need to deliver my packs of 25 kilos and my packs of 100 kilos into a packaging. I can validate, and my quantities will go out of stock. So let's make a small summary of this first option. I have created my 3 different products, which offers me a lot of flexibility regarding stock management because there are actually 3 different products, 3 really independent products for which I can actually set different internal references, different sales description, and even different replenishment strategies. Also, it provides me an easy sales and cost comparison, um, when in the process of purchase or resell. The main drawbacks of this configuration is that I cannot directly see how many packagings I have in stock. I only see the quantity in kilograms, which is the unit of measures. If I want to to know how many packages I have in stock, I need to divide the quantity on hand with the packaging itself. In this case, I can see that I have 8 packages of 25 kilos in stock because 200 divided by 25 is equal to 8. So now let's jump into the second option for this use case. The second option I would like to propose in this video is to create 3 different SKUs, meaning 3 different products, but to use the packagings as unit of measures. It's also a good idea to create the product packagings for each of the SKUs. It will ease the purchase and sales flow. Regarding the flows, we have actually the gravel, which we have in bulk, for which we will keep the kilogram as the unit of measures. We have the pack of 25 kilos that we can purchase, store, and resell also, and the same for the pack of 100 kilos. When we need to convert from one to the other unit of measure, we will either be able to use the inventory adjustment or to make the use of the MRP process to convert from one to the other. Let's jump into a database to see how this could work. So as for the first option, I will go through a purchase flow. So I will buy from my vendor one the 3 gravel possibilities. So pack of 100 and pack of 25. So I can buy, for instance, 5 packs of 100 and three packs of 25. And let's say I would like to purchase also 60 kilos in bulk. Okay, directly, this option um, this option does not allow to actually have an easy price comparison because you have different unit of measures. However, thanks to the new feature of V15, we could have the price comparison made easy. If I simply change my unit of measure in kilogram, but that I remain with the packaging, for instance, in this case, packs of 100 kilos, all the costs, all the unit price will be updated, and I will be actually able to compare it really easily. Okay. So again, now that I have this option, I can confirm and receive everything in stock. On my receipt, as my unit of measures is in the packaging unit, I directly see how many packages will come into my stock. I can validate and apply. So if I need to convert from one package to the other one, what I will need to do is either come in my inventory adjustment and do as for the first option, so change manually the quantity here. Or what I can do is come in my production application and simply convert from one to the other one. Let's have a look here. So if I want to create one extra pack of 100 kilos, um, so I did not take the good one, it was the gravel. I can see that I have a bill of material that has been created, and that will allow me to convert from one from 4 packages of 25 kilos to one package of 100 kilos. So I can confirm this case. I don't have any enough packs of 25 kilos, so I will quickly update the quantity so that we can mark it as done. So inventory adjustment, pack of 25 kilos. Let's say I have 8. So now let's come back into my manufacturing order. I will check availability. Oh, I think I did not actually apply this change. Really important in the new V15. You need to apply the change you would like to do in the inventory adjustment. So now, if I come back in my manufacturing order, I can check availability, mark it as done, and apply. So now, let's have a look um, at the product to see if the change appears. So directly, I can see that I have one more pack of 100 kilos and that I have 4 less pack of 25 kilos. Now let's jump into a sale process to see how this could work. So I will make a new quotation for my customer with gravel bulk, gravel in packs of 25, and gravel in packs of 100. Again, I directly can sell the right quantity to my customer. So let's imagine like this: 40 kilos in bulk, 3 packs of 25, and 2 packs of 100. And so I know exactly how many packages will go out of my stock. Again, the sales price comparison is made a little bit difficult because we are not talking about the same unit of measures. If you would like to have the easy price comparison, you can change the unit of measure to kilogram and adapt the packaging so that everything will be easily compared. I can confirm, and on my delivery, I have exactly the packaging and also the unit of measure that allow me to have a clear overview of what packaging will quit my stock. I validate and apply. So as a summary, this option allows ABC Construct to really have the focus on the packaging. Actually, here packagings and is the center of their stock strategy. They have a quick overview of effectively what packages they have on hand. In terms of price comparison, it's a little bit more difficult as we are talking about different unit of measures. About the conversion, you can either use the inventory adjustment to make it manual or make the use of the MRP process by by creating different bill of materials regarding the conversion you want to make. Again, this option offers a lot of flexibility as we have three different SKUs for which we could have different sale description, different internal references, and even different replenishment strategies. So now let's jump to option 3 to see what other option do we have to tackle this use case. So the third option is to create only one SKU, meaning one product, and to keep kilogram as unit of measures. It would then be good to create two different product packaging for the same SKU. In terms of flows, so we would use kilograms for purchase, store, and resell, and we would use the new product packaging features of V15 to manage purchase and sales. And of course, we would not need to convert from one SKU to the other one because we only have one. So let's jump into the database to see how this could work. So first of all, as a construct reseller, ABC buys cement to a cement grant in bulk and store it in a big cement silo. So let's first purchase some cement in bulk. So again, I'm selecting my vendor one and I will purchase cement in bulk. So let's imagine I would like to buy 500 kilos of cement that I will store in my silo. I confirm the order and I will receive my product directly in stock. Validate. So now, as ABC Consult really needs to be flexible on the packaging, they will repack cement directly on order. This configuration offers actually a lot of flexibility in terms of packaging. So let's jump into the sale flow to see how this works. So my customer would like to purchase cement and would like to have 3 packs of 100 kilos. So I simply make the use of the new feature and would also like to have cement in packs of 25 kilos. So this time I check the package of 25 kilos and he would like to purchase 3 of them also. I don't know if you remarked, but also here I took advantage of the price list to make sure the price is computed according to the minimum quantity I would like to sell. So I can confirm this and directly if we have a look at the delivery order, we can see that we actually have directly the kilograms that goes out of my stock. If I open the operation tab, I also see that the packaging is well displayed on the delivery order. I can validate and apply. So actually, this solution provides a lot of flexibility in terms of packaging. But as we have only one stock keeping unit, it results in less flexibility regarding product template information. Because, for instance, we would have the same description, the same replenishment strategy, or the same unit of measures for this product. Okay, so we have a lot of flexibility in terms of packaging because ABC Construct needs to repack cement directly on order. But on the contrary, we would have a loss of flexibility in terms of information that we can provide on the product template. So to summarize the three options, first option was to create three different SKUs, but to keep kilogram as unique unit of measure. Then we can take advantage of new packaging feature of V15 to ease sales and purchase process. It provides us easy price comparison and easy conversion between SKUs, but it limits the visibility on what packaging do we have in stock. The second option was also to create three different SKUs, but to use the packaging as unit of measures. Um, it would then allow us to have a great visibility on what packaging do we have in stock, but it's more challenging regarding price comparison and also a bit more difficult in terms of conversion between the different SKUs. Please note also that you can make the use of the MRP process to make the conversion from one to the other one. Finally, the third option would be to create only one SKUs with kilogram as unit of measure, but to create two different product packaging for the same product. We would then have also an easy price comparison. We would not need to convert from one to the other because we only have one SKUs. As a drawback, we would not have the visibility on packaging in stock, and also as a complement, we would have a loss of flexibility in terms of what information we can set on the product template as it's unique for the single product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this one, and see you later.